Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. In this video, we are going to see a simple technique with which you can make your PowerPoint open in the dark mode. So as you can see here, now I opened the PowerPoint and I'm in the previews area. But as you can see, we are in the light mode. Even if we click on blank presentation, we are all in the bright mode or light mode. If I want to change it to dark mode simply, without even changing any option in the PowerPoint itself, what you can do is just close out of here, just right click on the main desktop screen and click on personalize. Now click on colors and from here just scroll down, and in the colors you can see choose your mode, change the colors that you appear in the window and your apps. So if you make this one dark, not only your window screens becomes dark, we will also have the dark mode enabled for all of the apps. So let's try this now. Let's open the PowerPoint presentation. Now for some cases it will work, but if it doesn't work, you can make the direct changes in the PowerPoint presentation as well, guys. So right now we are again in the PowerPoint preview mode, and as you can see, it's still in the light mode. So what you can do is just go to this account option right here, and from here, office theme is select to white. You can select it to black, and that's all what you have to do. Just go to the home tab and click on presentation, and as we can see, now we are on the dark mode. So if you want to make this page dark as well, you need to see the other videos that I have linked on my channel, so you can join the playlist link of the PowerPoint tips and tricks in the description. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is how you can turn the dark mode on the PowerPoint presentation. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.